Hello, this is Adam from Exologic. Today I want to show you an exclusive new offering we are bringing to you in partnership with the Indica marketing group. It's called the Entry-Level Digital Catalog Solution, featuring Request a Quote. We developed this feature to offer an easier, faster, and less expensive way for distributors to get a product catalog on your website, while providing your customers a safe online way to view your product inventory and then interact remotely with the sales staff to easily get quotes for products they're interested in buying. Let's see how it works. Any visitor coming to this website has the ability to see the items that you sell in your digital product catalog just like they would using any other e-commerce platform. The main difference being that users are not adding items to a shopping cart to purchase, but they're adding items to a shopping cart to request a quote from a sales agent. So if a user sees an item that they like, they can add the item quickly to a quote request by clicking the Add button here. Or if they want to see additional details, they can click on the item detail view and they can add the item to a quote from here. By clicking Quote Request, I can see the items I've added to my shopping cart. If I've forgotten an item, I can type in the part number into the quick order pad to add the item quickly. If I choose, I can also add notes to the sales agent to provide context around my requested quote. I'm sure you've noticed that there's no pricing in the product catalog or on the items in the shopping cart. This product supports the distributor growing into their online pricing strategies over time by allowing them to start either without pricing or with pricing on just some of the items in their catalog and require customers to request quotes from sales agents only. By clicking Quote Request, it's going to ask me to log into my customer account or create a new account if I have not purchased before. By inputting my login credentials, the system will recognize me as a specific customer account. In this case, it recognizes me as Alpine Construction and auto-populates all of my contact information into the requested quote. I'm now ready to submit. By clicking Request Quote, it will give me confirmation that the request has been sent to a sales agent, and then will save the quote request into my orders and lists so I can always return to it later if needed. So now let's take a look at how the sales agent will respond to the quote request. Initially, the sales agent will receive an email to their inbox informing them that a new quote request has been submitted by Alpine Construction. They will click the hyperlink in the email, which will take them to a login page to put in their administrative credentials. This will immediately take me to the submitted quote request. I can see all the customer information here at the top, so as a sales agent, I know how to price each individual item for this customer. I can also apply additional discounts, changes to shipping, delivery, or labor fees here on the right. In this case, I'm choosing to apply a 10% discount to the entire order. I then have the ability to respond to any notes that the customer has provided. Now it's time to respond back to the customer. I can contact the customer directly to complete the order over the phone, or if they're in my store, I can take payment directly at the sales counter through credit card, check, cash, or they can sign for it and we can bill them later. In this case, we're choosing to email the customer back the information so they can complete the order through the system. The email editor will pre-populate all the customer information, and I can edit any message to the email, and I have multiple options on how or what I want to deliver back to the customer. By selecting email, the information will be sent to the customer and they can respond through the system. The customer receives an email notifying them that the sales agent has responded to their quote request. The email contains a printable copy of the quote, as well as a hyperlink to the quote within the system. By clicking the link, the customer will log in with their credentials and immediately be taken to the quote. The customer can review pricing per item, and you'll notice that the Request Quote button has been replaced with the Pay button for the customer to complete the order through PayPal integration, credit card or debit card, or they can sign for it and be invoiced later. If selecting Bill Later, the customer can sign for the terms and conditions, and it will allow them to print out a customer receipt. And that is the new Request a Quote feature. It's very simple, very cost effective, and if you're interested and would like to get more information on how we can apply this to your company today, please give us a call and let us know so that we can work with you to give you more information.